Tanny Cooks here, and today I have a haul from Sam's Club, one of my most expensive here recently. So I have imitation crab. This is imitation crab meat. It's a 2-pound bag for about $6. But the thing to note if you're going to cook this and serve this to someone is that they know that it's imitation crab because it contains fish, wild Alaskan pollock. So some people may be allergic to fish but not crab, so make sure they know. Now this is blue swimming crab. This is lump crab meat. I use this to make crab cakes and lump crab stuffed salmon. It is absolutely delicious. This 16-ounce container was $28. Yes, this lump crab is very expensive everywhere, but I have a couple of containers of that. I like that it's in plastic and not the cans. I have a bag of lemons. They look great. And then I have 2 bags of the Members Marks chicken wings. These are the chicken wing sections, and each bag was 10 pounds, and it was just about $30 a bag. So about $3 a pound. And I got 2 bags because it's been hard enough to find chicken wings here lately. So I'll keep these in my freezer and have them for a while. I have a pineapple, of course. I love my pineapples. I buy them every week. Paper towels here I like at Sam's. They're individually wrapped, each roll. I also got this bouquet of red roses. So my siblings and I bought these roses and another gift from Sam's for my mother for her special day. Absolutely gorgeous flowers. So in addition to the paper towels, I bought Scott's toilet paper, the 36 rolls. These are also individually wrapped, and the 15 mega rolls are individually wrapped. So this was the other gift we bought for our mom. We bought her a new HP computer. It was $550. It's a 17-inch 11th generation Core i5 to replace the laptop she has now, and she was very happy with this gift. Thank you for watching this small but expensive haul. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos as I continue to grow my channel on YouTube. Bye.